Good morning. Today we're just gonna be cleaning. I'm gonna be decluttering a little bit of makeup, not too much. I'm in that mood. I just want to declutter and just get rid of stuff that I don't need. Let's get to it. Let's get started with this drawer here. This is my blush, bronzer, powder, everything, you name it. It's a mess. This is a new one I'm keeping. One size keeping. This is such a good one I am keeping. Okay, this one here, this is the Beauty Blender powder. There's nothing really I love about this one. I rarely ever use it, so I am gonna go ahead and donate this one. My Patrick Top blushes, keeping all of those. Jaclyn Hill highlight. I have actually not been into highlight lately, but I actually used this the other day. It's perfect for the summer. Oldie and a goodie. I'm intentionally trying to use this one up. This is the Makeup by Mario in shade medium, and look, this is how much I have left. Literally my favorite contour ever. MAC Play blushes. This one's in the shade Please Me. Y'all, this doesn't do anything for me. It doesn't show up on my skin, but this was like $30. Probably just donate this to someone in my family light skinned. Not a huge fan of this one. This one, giving it up. These are my bronzers. Love these all. Will keep. These are absolutely amazing. I will keep both. I went on a rampage as soon as I found out that MAC was gonna be discontinuing their fix powder, so I got this one on Amazon. I need my talc, you guys. I need my talc. There has never been a setting powder like this one. This is the Jaclyn Hill back when she had her makeup brand. There's something smooth about this powder. It has a subtle glow. It's smooth. I think the closest thing that comes to it is the e.l.f. Halo Glow, but this is a staple in my collection. Huge and chunky as heck packaging. Look at this. My Say Little Trio. Gotta use these more, and I will definitely use them. I love these for the summertime. That's why I love minis, because they will last forever. This one is the Peach Pie. I really like it. Love it. More bronzers. Love these two. This is a very old one. This was Vintage Rogue. Who remembers this? I used it the other day and it was so deliciously buttery. Milk Makeup. Love this one. This Merit Beauty one. Love these for when you just want a no makeup blush kind of look. This one's from Westman Atelier. This is the mini version. I dug my finger in it. I really love this one. It's such a pretty everyday pink blush. These Kosas blushes are very pretty. They don't really have a lot of pigment to them. They give you like this really nice angelic glow. This is bringing it way back. I love this one. This one's in the shade Apricot, I think. So pretty, stunning. Gotta use this one more. More bronzers. Milani, love, love, love these. Rare Beauty, I love this one. This is my favorite one in the shade Happy. It's just such a stunning pink. It's just the prettiest pink. Whoa. This was my everyday blush. This is Buxom. They don't sell this anymore. It's just the prettiest everyday rosy shade. Look how pretty that color is. So stunning, silky. Hour 28, the blurring one. This is the most pigmented one, I think. This one's in the shade Salt Hell Slushy. You all, look at this. Gorgeous. So soft. So pretty. So blurring. It's just the most stunning blush. I love this one, and I love the packaging. This one was gifted from Olak. I rarely ever use it. It's a beautiful red. I will be gifting this one away. This is new in my collection. This is the bronzer. You guys, this is so easy and creamy. Keeping. It's just the most creamiest blendable bronzer. This was like my everyday powder. This one is from Beauty Bakery. I love this one. This is so old, but you guys, like, I use this and it just doesn't get used up. Love this one, so I will keep. Oh wow, this has been in my collection for about 7 years now, but I just love this formula. I love this shade the most. This is from Wet n Wild. This is so old, you guys, but I'm keeping just because it's so smooth. This one is a little magnetic thing here from Nude Sticks. I think it's a really pretty bronzer for the summertime. It's like a balm that turns into a powder. It's a pretty one. This one is so pretty. Oh my god, I gotta. Ooh, so buttery, you guys. Stunning. Whoa, this is way back in the day. I think I probably will be gifting this one away. This is Toasted Cinnamon. I don't know. I haven't used it in a while. And I don't know. It just pulls to peach on me, not brown. I forgot I had this one in here. Oh, the Physicians Formula. Oh, so pretty. So stunning. Okay, I'm gonna bring this up to the top. My two favorite bronzers that I could just never let go of. This one, you guys. I have hit pan on this. I will not let this one go. It's just so buttery. Such a classic one. I just won't get rid of it. I won't do it. Maybelline City Bronzer. I think I do want to give this one away. I have no need for it. I have other ones. It's actually a very pretty blush from Morphe, the Euphoric one. Very creamy. It's like a perfect baby doll pink. So stunning. Look at that. Love this one. Look at that pretty pink. That is a gorgeous formula. Keeping these two are very similar. I'm actually gonna give up the Morphe one and keep the Mario. This will always be in my collection. Essence, these are just amazing. This is the Pure Nude Highlight, which is the most angelic bride-like highlight. And this one is just the most prettiest blush topper. And so affordable too. The Luminoso, who remembers this? Oh yeah, look how gorgeous that is. I love this one for the summertime. This is the Undone Beauty Rosewood. It's just a really all-around gorgeous cream blush and affordable too, which I love. Look at that, oh my goodness. Vanessa Myrex, keeping this one for sure. I love this one's like a cream to powder formula. Gotta be very careful with these. They're super pigmented. Look at that. Oh, I forgot I had this, the Sephora highlight. Ooh, that one looks stunning. I love the packaging, very travel friendly. Keeping this was in the shade Sun Kissed Pink. It is the most prettiest everyday pink blush. Love the formula of these. This one is in Rusty Rogue. Beautiful blush for the summertime. Love these both. I like these. They don't really do too much for me, so I will be giving this one up. This one I actually really love. This is the Pretty Smart Stain Blush. I really love this one. It's a great, oh, it's so cooling. It's a great dupe for the Milk Water Jelly one, and it's just beautiful. These are all of my e.l.f. blushes. I love every single one of these, and I keep them right in here where they're at. These are my two absolute favorite for fall and winter. Keeping, ooh, this is so cute too for fall and winter. The mini ones. This I never run out of. Keeping. Pretty much old and dried out. Taking this out. Ooh, I forgot how pretty this one is from Wet n Wild. Easy to blend. Obsessed. Last one, keeping, of course, I love Rare Beauty. And let's get to organizing and cleaning. I got blushes here and I got blushes here. We need to organize all this right now. Foundations, concealers, I am keeping all of this. This here is a sunscreen that I never use. I'm gonna get rid of it because it is way too white casty and it's just taking up space. I use this one here, the Milani Conceal and Perfect, the other day. It is destroyed, but I used this the other day and ugh, look how nasty that looks. But I was quite impressed with the formula. I might have to repurchase a new one because this is disgusting. These are my primers and skin tints. I have a mess here. I have a foundation that goes on this side. The e.l.f. Soft Glam. This one is way too dark for me, unfortunately, so I am gonna go ahead and give this one up. This is a sunblock. I do use this from time to time. I wanna use it up, but I'm gonna keep that. I love this for some reason. I just stopped using it. I think it's a little thicker. I don't know, I gotta use this one more. So I am gonna keep this one. My absolute favorite primer, keeping this one here, Smashbox. Started using this one to incorporate it into my skincare routine. This is the Goudal Vitamin C Serum. So I'm gonna keep this one. Absolute favorite primer, the Supercharged from Milani. Very nice and hydrating and dewy. Makes your skin look juicy, I love that. This is my favorite, you all. It goes in hydrating, but it dries down to a very nice, soft matte. This one a friend of mine gifted to me. I tried it and sadly it is too thick and too matte for me, so I am gonna re-gift this to someone else. I haven't tried this one in a long time. I love this one. It feels nice, hydrating, and I am gonna keep that. This one is also too dark for me. I don't know, I may keep it because it is a summertime, so I'm gonna give this one a little bit more of a try. This one's a nice primer. It feels very nice and hydrating. It just has too much of a strong blueberry scent, but I will keep it because I want to use it up. This one is new to my collection. This is the e.l.f. Thirst Burst Drops. I got super inspired by Shelby Ann on TikTok. Like, she is just so beautiful. And her viral makeup look, so good. I already had this one, the e.l.f. Woe Glow. I had this one sitting there and I never used it, but then I saw that she did that viral makeup look and I'm like, wait, perfect. So I'm gonna start using this one now. So I use both of these and you all, gorgeous match made in heaven. I have my most used products up here that I use to do my makeup every day. I've been loving this hydrating grippy serum here from Maybelline. I use this every single day. It's not too grippy, it's not too tacky, it feels hydrating. Really good at making your makeup last, so I'm gonna keep those. Keep my Bioma at the top here. These are like my staples to do my prep for my makeup. This is looking a little bit better. I mean, it's just hard with the limited space here because I use my beauty room as like my workspace, which is a hot mess express over there. This is my work from home area. And then I have my beauty, which is like a very small, compact little beauty space. I'm gonna keep this one because I do use that one every day. These are the things I'm getting rid of. I know it's not that much, but we're making progress, okay? I have this big tub of Frutia hydrating lip balm. Look at this thing. It's a big tub. I mean, I'm never gonna get through this. I'll probably be 90 years old and I'll still be going through this, but it smells nice. I'm gonna keep. I've been loving this moisturizer. It feels like a dupe for the Drunk Elephant. Oh, whoa, well, now my hands can get moisturized. It does soak up into the skin very, very quickly though. I don't know if it's a bad thing though. Thirst drops, hydrating, that's it. All right, it is wiped down clean, looks organized. Here is my pre-makeup skin prep area. Got a lip balm, got the moisturizer. This is my perfumes. Okay, so these are the brushes. I am gonna clean these next. But before I move into that, I do wanna take care of organizing this lip drawer because it is a hot mess. This is what we have, and it looks much neater than what it was before. Yay! Brought this beauty into my room. If you know me, I used to love playing guitar. I was not a good player, but I'm trying, okay? So this was stuck in my garage for like, I don't know how months, and I kept looking at it, and I'm just like, no, that guitar needs to come in my room. It needs to fit. I need to make it fit, okay? So it's there. I haven't started using it, but I will. Okay, we have a little mess here. This is my work from home crazy station, so let's get to it. This is looking so much better. This is my space. Look how neat it looks. Oh my goodness, I am ecstatic. I'm excited. It's looking super, super neat. And yeah, this is pretty much it, guys. Thank you all so much for joining my little cleaning experience. If you ever feel the need to clean, just start recording yourself because it keeps you accountable to do it and it makes it fun. So yeah, I love seeing cleaning videos. I don't know about you all, but if you enjoyed my video, please leave a comment down below, like the video, subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.